Hello everyone, the issue of mental health is increasingly rampant around us. Therefore, we will introduce our product to help deal with this problem, namely PsyHeart with sound and sound therapy. For that, let me introduce the masterminds behind our project. Okay, from mobile development team, we have Naufalia, Azzahra, and Novita, Sari, Samosir. From machine learning team, we have Anindya, Nitisari, Tiara, Shafadiva, Maharani, and I, Anggie, Alnurin, Prasetya. And from cloud computing team, we have Aliyah, Nisa, Lathifah, and Anisa, Amalia, Putri.
First is background. In 2022, around 16.1 million Indonesian adolescents aged 10 to 19 have mental health issues. This data highlight the seriousness of mental health problem among our youth. In 2024, Indonesia is among the top 10 countries searching about anxiety on Google. This reflects the growing awareness and concern about mental health issues, particularly anxiety, in our country. Despite the increased attention to mental health issues, access to mental health service in Indonesia remains very limited. Generation Z, who will be the productive age group by 2045, still face difficulty in obtaining adequate mental health service. Here is a quote from Jimenez. Music therapy is a simple, affordable, effective, and convenient method of treating depression and anxiety disorder.
Okay, based on the previous discussed findings, it is evident that many young individuals face mental health challenges and encounter significant difficulties to accessing mental health service. So, our team aims to provide practical and accessible mental health solutions to help mitigate the prevalence of mental health disorders. To address the issue, we conduct a thorough 5-wise analysis examining the underlying causes of the many young people struggles to access mental health service. Our investigation delved into why many young people struggles to access mental health service, why the costs of mental health service are high, why work-related pressure impact access to mental health service, and why it's not a lack of awareness about mental health issues among young people. Furthermore, we explore why is mental health education not adequately integrated into school curriculum. Through this comprehensive analysis, we identified the root cause of the problem. There is the struggle of young people to access mental health service primarily due to the high cost of service, demanding work-related pressure, and insufficient awareness and education about mental health issues. This is exacerbated by inadequate insurance coverage, societal stigma, and a lack of comprehensive.
Next are some existing apps that are similar to ours, namely Flow and Healing Sounds and Sound Therapy. These apps both provide a variety of sounds and therapy options. However, they do not provide customized therapy recommendations to users based on their circumstances. Use music with lyrics or commonly heard music, categorize the music into playlists based on user therapy needs, and do not charge free.
Hello, I will explain you about how this application works. At first, we have machine learning implementation. Our machine learning team use TensorFlow, Google Colab, and we also use Python language. We use Kaggle to find sound dataset. Next, we have the mobile development implementation. The mobile development team designed a user-friendly interface using Figma, developed the application through Android Studio using Kotlin, and utilize GitHub for collaboration. Next, we have cloud computing implementation. Our CC team use Google Cloud Platform, Postman, Visual Studio Code, and GitHub. The framework we use Happy.js, which use JavaScript language. We also use Python to deploy the model.
Next is cloud computing architecture. First is the client infrastructure, which represents users' device that access the web service. The mobile application communicates with the PsyHeart web service APIs deployed on Cloud-Run. The APIs perform user authentication using GWT and retrieve relevant user data from the Cloud SQL database. The Cloud-Run service triggers the cloud function to generate song classification, whether it's a relaxed, anxiety, sleep, or any other song. The cloud function then loads the machine learning model from cloud storage and uses it to classify songs. The result, likely song IDs or titles, are stored in Cloud SQL database. The Cloud-Run service retrieves the recommendation from Cloud SQL and sends them back to the mobile application. The mobile application displays the classification of songs to the user.
Hello everyone! Next, I want to invite you to achieve mental well-being easily with PsyHeart. Accessing mental health support is often challenging, and traditional therapy can be pricey. PsyHeart offers an innovative solution with its sound therapy and designed to reduce anxiety, stress, and enhancing sleep quality. Here's a guide to using PsyHeart. Firstly, open the app and sign in. If you don't have an account, sign up by providing your name, email, and password. You will be guided to fill out a questionnaire to receive music recommendations based on your condition. Your music recommendations will appear on homepage. You can play the music right away and feel the sensation. And guess what? If you feel that your condition is no longer relevant, you can update your condition by filling out the questionnaire again. Yeah, now your music recommendations are updated. How cool is that, being able to switch up your music depending on how you feel? On the Discover page, explore music across 6 categories: relax, sleep, anxiety, positive energy, depression, and motivation. All music is categorized to meet your psychological needs. The interesting part is that you get to choose which category of music you want to listen to. In your profile, you can set the language between Indonesian or English and switch them between dark and light mood. You can also update your account details like changing your password. And lastly, there is a logout feature to exit the application. With PsyHeart, taking care of your mental health becomes easier and more fun. Try it now and start feeling the atmosphere.
For the documentation of our project, we have documented each component of our project in writing to the readme.mg file. The documentation for mobile development shows some of available features, how to install, and how to use our application. The cloud computing documentation provides information about the web service that allow you to listen to songs according to your moods. And finally, the machine learning documentation explains the dataset we use. For detailed information, we have included the links we have listed.
Now we are going to go to market plan. Our target market for PsyHeart includes individuals aged 15 to 30. These individuals often experience high levels of work-related stress and frequent anxiety, so they need effective stress relief methods. They enjoy listening to music and are keenly interested in mental health and wellness. Additionally, they are actively seeking ways to improve their mood and reduce stress. PsyHeart is designed to meet these needs by offering personalized sound therapy to help manage stress and enhance overall well-being. Next is the project roadmap, outlining our goals for the next 6 months of 2024. In July, we will finalize the current features and initial testing. In August, we will prepare for beta testing. In September, we will implement new features. In October, we will conduct extensive testing and feedback collection. We will prepare for the App Store and Play Store launch in November. In December, we will focus on marketing and launching new features. Next is project budgeting. The first one is tools and subscription for $2,000. Second is salaries for $3,000. 3 is research and development for $1,500. Fourth is marketing for $1,500. And the last one is others for $450. These are project budgeting for our plan in 6 months. PsyHeart makes money through subscription plans that provide users with access to personalized sound therapy session and premium content. There are free, $2 and $4. The free includes up to 3 mood-based recommendations per day, basic mood tracking features, adds every 30 minutes of listening. $2 or silver includes unlimited mood-based recommendation, advanced mood tracking with insight and trends, and free experience. And the last is gold or $4, includes full access to all sound therapy playlists, including exclusive premium content, and early access to new features and updates.
In closing, music is the color for the world and everything in it. PsyHeart offered a unique and accessible solution for managing stress and anxiety as well as improving sleep quality. So thank you for your time and attention.